Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to remove the door panels from a Maserati Ghibli. I'm using basic tools like this trim removal tool right here, just a plastic one. I have this screwdriver here, and then I just need like a flat tip head as well as a hex head. This is just a basic IKEA screwdriver. Now just opening the door here, I have just the standard door panel right here. First thing we're going to do is remove this by prying it with the plastic tool right at the edge here. It's going to come right out very easily. And just continue that along the bottom edge of this trim. With these two hooks in, you just have to slightly bend it and it comes out just like this. Right behind that trim, there are two screws. We're just going to undo them one by one. And to remove these switches, we're just going to use the door trim removal tool and just pry it upward right along the edges here. Comes out very easily as well. This handle comes out when you pry along the edges. And behind that, we'll just remove these two screws. Pop this light out using a flat tip screwdriver. And then remove this screw here. Just pull this triangle piece upward to remove it. Lastly, I just pulled on the door panel and it came off. This attaches to the door handle. It just snaps in. You just have to push it outward. This here with the blue clip has a sliding part. So just slide this blue part and then this whole connector comes out. And then these are very simple. They just have these push tabs at the top to remove them. And there you go. Now I just repeated the process backwards and I installed this door panel with the red trim. And now I'm going to show how to remove the rear door panel and then swap it out with this red one. So the same tools as the last time. This trim removal tool, this little screwdriver set here, and we're good to go. We'll open this door. Pry the trim using the trim removal tool all the way across the bottom edge. And to clear the two hooks, just bend it slightly while removing it. Undo the two screws behind the trim. Pry on the bottom part of the door handle and then lift it outward towards you. So start from here. Remove two screws behind that trim piece. Pry around the door panel starting from the bottom, and then move your way to the top, then pull the door panel off. Here's what the wires look like connected to the door panel. We're going to remove all of these. The blue tab on this one slides down, and then we'll be able to remove that. This one is snapped in. All you have to do is just push this outward. Then play the steps backwards, and now the new door panel is in. There you go. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.